How to change LLC address in Illinois. To change your LLC's principal office address in Illinois, you must file Articles of Amendment using Form LLC 5.25 with the Illinois Secretary of State. This form can be completed and submitted online by mail or in person. Start by downloading Form LLC 5.25 from the Secretary of State's website and filling in your LLC's name along with the new principal office address. Once completed, you can file the form online through the Secretary of State's online filing system or mail it to the Department of Business Services, Limited Liability Division, at 501 South 2nd Street, Room 351, Springfield, Illinois 62756. Alternatively, you may deliver it in person to their Springfield office. A $25 filing fee is required, which can be paid by credit or debit card online or by check or money order if mailing the form. If you also need to update your registered agent's address, you must file a separate form titled Statement of Change of Registered Agent and/or Registered Office. Additionally, it's a good idea to update your address with MyTax Illinois by logging into your account at mytax.illinois.gov. If your annual report is due soon, you can also make the address change directly on that report to avoid filing the amendment separately. So, that's how you can change LLC address in Illinois.